let's get started. So slept on your neck wrong. How's the rest of your back been?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Okay. So we can get this mid-back to move. Your mid-back's always pretty tight. Okay. Oh yeah. Sit there. Come around here. There we go. Let's look at your back. Has the back been about the same then?
Mm-hmm.
Been feeling better at all? After the adjustments?
Yes.
Okay, we'll lay this side up, facing in. Okay. There we go. Oh, that was good. All right, we'll lay this other way here. Oh, there we go.
Okay.
And we're going to scoot down to the edge of the table again. And the headaches, been about the same?
I'd say less headaches.
All right, sweet. Oh yeah, that was good. And let me check the rest of your neck here, twice. All right, beautiful. That moves.